Hey! What? Hey! Hey! What is it? What is it? Hey! Hey!
I've always advised you, and I'm still advising you to be of good character, to be your brother's keeper, both of you, to love each other. You see, I don't like to be trying to go astray, or to go wrong path, start going wrong things. Always remember, your father has been a very polite and polished man. As your uncle, I'll actually advise you, don't go, especially you, don't go astray. Abuchi, you know, he used to be very stubborn.
Very, very, uncle.
He used to be very stubborn. But I thank God, you are changing. So I'll continue taking my advice. Don't go astray. Always be your brother's keeper. And always remember your parents, the life they lived. But they left permanent footsteps on the sands of time. Good character.
Alright, Uncle. Thank you so much for what you have said. You know, I've always loved my brother. Yes, and I believe nothing can come between us.
Uncle, Abuchi is right. Abuchi is right. He's a changed man. A changed man. Well, I say he's a changed boy. He used to be a very stubborn person.
Very stubborn.
Stubborn man now. Well, I call you a boy. So, but now he's a changed man for real. And Uncle, we want to use the opportunity to thank you for the advice and encouragement you've been giving to us.
For the
love you showed us. That we are grateful. You know, we are our father now. You know, the father we see. And I want to promise you that we will not disappoint you. We will not disappoint you.
He's Chineke. He's godly. He's from the millions of my heart to come out of my mouth. I have a vision. And this vision that I have about you, or that I have for you, is a realistic vision. In my vision, Ike, believe me, you're going to make it with good. Something is the spirit in me, the innermost spirit of Chineke's workability in me is telling me out of the essence vision that I have for you that if you touch abroad, Chema, I'm calling you Chema now. That is to tell you how workable the vision is. Ike, you're going to make it abroad. See, you might think that, okay, usually I drink, no doubt. But this time around, I am not drunk. I did not take anything. I am telling you this from my clear eyes and my clear conscience, clear mind, everything clear brain. You understand? You are going to make it if you go to abroad. Don't doubt this vision. This vision is great.
Chema the Chema. Chema, honestly, you never seems to amaze me. Chema, the prophet of our time. Okugi Odache.
See, Ike, you want to take this thing as a joke. This is not a joking matter. I am serious. See, in your eyes now, you might think that I'm drunk. I'm not drunk. I'm clear. I am talking with my right sense. Intact. Nothing left. You understand? See, let me tell you something that you're supposed to do. You're supposed to give me something so that I can pray for you.
Aha! I have been waiting for this because I know it will come to this point. I'll give you something. I always give. Anyways, let me still give you.
It's written in the book of Malachi 17.
Okay.
From the way this money is looking, how rumple it is, it shows that where it came from is an orphan. It doesn't have parents. It doesn't have brother. It's an orphan.
Let me take it back.
See, for bringing this money, God is going to bless you. In fact, you're already a blessed child. If I say God should bless you now, it's going to be overdosed because God has already blessed you. God has blessed you. So you know what is going to happen now. What is going to happen now is you're going to kneel down. Let me pray for you. You know I'm a prayer warrior. This thing. And,
You pray for me. Kneel down.
Okay, lie down. Let me pray for you.
Lie down.
Kneel down. Lie down. Okay, climb the tree. Let me pray for you.
Let me choose one.
Set it in now.
Jehovah, come down. No, stay there and send message. God, you are heaven. You're not wearing oversize. Father. Ojaban do a pillowcase. Father, Kuriama. Santa Kawasaki Samadora Suzuki. Suzuki. Ciao! It shall be well with you, my son. Come on!
In Jesus' name. It's done.
See, if I know this is what you want to do, I will
You're a millionaire. See, if your money comes, let's share. Come on.
Beke. What is wrong with you?
Yes, I've been worried. Because some of the horrible nightmares I had last night.
Nightmare? About what? Mama! Oh, you are running away! Who's listening?
Mama, what are you doing here?
Will you shut that useless thing you call your mouth up? Will you shut this dirty thing you call your mouth up? That's a really juicy on idiot. So this is the firewood. You lied to me that you came to fetch. You breathing Abuchi Novia. You even came with my rapper to sleep with this dirty thing. Hey! So all these rumors going about you sleeping around, especially with this dirty thing, is true.
Mama, it's not what you think, oh. Mama, it's not what you think, oh. After all, Abuchi is not even a bad guy.
Don't ever go Abuchi. He's not a bad guy. Then he brought you inside the bush to sleep with you. How many bad guys, good guys that take their girlfriends to the bush to sleep with? If it's not dirty and smelly.
Mama, it's not...
Mama! Oh, you're running away. Chama in our boss, I can't you bag it. And what am I for you? And what am I for? Just run and come back home. Idiot! I will beat that thing out of your two legs today. You when I hear my own daughter push him off here. What is the comfort here? What is the comfort? Chinekenna, I will deal with you today.
My son,
as you can see, you are not getting younger anymore. Why don't you get yourself a wife? A good wife? At least let me carry my grandchild. Because I need to carry my grandchild.
Mama, you worry so much. At the appointed time, I will do that.
That time is now. Start planning it now.
Mama, guess what?
What?
I will soon bring somebody for you.
Yalagwa, do you have anyone by your side?
Yeah.
Hey! I didn't want to open up. Kansezia. They go nenyo. I hope she is a good one.
Mama, I
know.
She's beautiful.
Hey! I can't wait to see my daughter-in-law.
How are you going to dance that day?
I will dance like no other.
I trust you.
Say, what are you looking for there? Come out from my altar. What are you?
I'm looking for something I kept. I want to go out.
Chelo, you kept something? My altar? Chinedu, are you out of your senses? Have you bought the kerosene I told you to buy?
Mama, I told you I'm not going anywhere. I am hungry. I made it clear. I told you I'm hungry. You did not even answer me. You did not even answer me. Mama, I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere.
So I'm going to use my 2 eyes or maybe my urine to cook food for you. Is it not that kerosene I told you to buy that I will use to cook food? Chelo can you go to Gina? It's your swagimma. Ebupu battery. Did they remove your battery and kept empty brain for you? Answer me.
Thank God I'm your son.
Chinedu, go and buy that place immediately. Come and get out of this place. Go out of your mind. Imagine this fool. Listen to Chinedu. Hey, you go to Chile. Don't have a walk there. Come, get out. Mama, I will kill Chinedu in this house.
Don't kill him, please. He's just a boy.
Who is a boy?
Okay, don't let me traumally.
Chile that to go one.
Here we go.
Okay.
Hey, oh. You're funny.
Mama, what happened?
There's nothing good about the afternoon. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. So why are you greeting me? Nothing.
Mama, what is it?
He's your brother. Your younger brother, Napaguchi, he is my problem. And because he's related to you, both of you are my problem. Makanike should get warning. Anyway, I've come to warn you. Tell that your hungry looking brother, Anapabuchi, to stay away from my daughter. All of us, we and your brother does not belong in the same camp. Not in the same level. If I'm on a level, don't care. Your brother does not belong where my daughter belongs to. She is made for rich, good-looking people. Not hungry, starved animal looking like your brother. Ago na ago. Nachi trouser na aka. Can tell him to stay away. Makobu no stay away. If you get me,
Mama, you still need to tell your daughter to stay away from my brother. That is the truth. She has to stay away from my brother too.
Shut your mouth up. Tell my daughter what? He should feel privileged of having anything to do with her. If my daughter is here, can it's a privilege to you people. And that I do not want. He should stay away. Let him stay away. I go on away. Let him feed himself first before looking for my daughter. Well-trained daughter that I have. Well-trained for good-looking people with money, cash. I'm probably now Ghana with half-baked house and half-baked trousers and shirt that cannot even feed themselves. One him, I can be able also.
Abuchi and these village girls.
Something is disturbing me.
What is disturbing you?
It's about the dream my daughter had. She told me that in her dream, while she was about giving Ike palm wine on their traditional marriage day, he died.
Oh, Mama, same dream, she told me.
Honestly, it's disturbing me.
It's so scary.
I don't know the meaning.
It's so scary, Mama. That dream is so scary. But Mama, has she told Ike about it?
I don't know. I didn't ask her.
Mama, she have to. She have to. You know it's all about life and death. She have to. Eh?
That is why I'm worried.
But don't worry, Mama. Don't worry, okay? God will take care of everything.
I hope so, and I pray so.
Don't waste my time, shameless girl. Don't. I'll come for you. Show me out. Show me out. Show me your hand. I will flog you all over. Mama! Break, show me your hand. Show me your hand. Mama, I want one. Show me one. Mama, I will just kill you. Mama, stupid girl. Now listen. Shh. Listen, and listen very well. Next time I will hear or see you near that good-for-nothing idiot that parades himself as your boyfriend or whatever thing he calls himself, I will skin you alive. Do you hear me? I will skin you alive, idiot. I will skin you alive. I'm just liberating your body. But for real, I will tear your skin into pieces. Stupid girl. Shut up! I don't need your sorry. Don't you know I'm grooming you for wilding him? Eh? That you are as beautiful as your mother. If you don't value your own beauty, I value my own beauty. If you know your father messed up, useless man. Left me and went and met my best friend. But you, I want you to marry a man that will take care of you. Spend good money on you. A man that loves you will take you to the push too. Mama, sorry. Mama, I will need to get Mama. Come here. Mama, sorry. Push her back. Mama, sorry, Mama. Chop. What is it?
Mara, what is wrong with you? How many times have I warned you to stay away from that stupid woman? How many times? Huh?
Papa, she's not stupid though. She's a good woman and a good soul. She's my best friend mother.
Hey, will you shut up your mouth? Why are you so stubborn? I know she's the one that has been deceiving you not to marry Emeka. Huh? You better be careful. Be careful with me. Did you hear what I said?
Papa, Emeka is an old man.
Eh?
How can you expect me to marry a man that is even older than you, Papa? Eh? God forbid, I can't do that though.
Will you keep quiet? And let me tell you, whether you like it or not, you must marry Emeka. Yes! If you don't, I will teach you the lesson you will never forget in your entire life.
Papa, then be ready. Ready to lose me as a daughter.
Eh?
Because I won't marry you.
I should get ready to lose you as my daughter. Eh? What is wrong with you? I've actually lost you. I've disowned you. I've lost you. Get out of my face. Get out of my face.
Mama the mama. Mama the mama.
Hey.
Anyways, Mama, I know you've been waiting for this day. Let me not waste much of our time. Behold the most beautiful woman on earth. The damsel I have been talking about. She's here.
Beautiful dancer, indeed. Mme, you are beautiful.
Thank you, Mama.
Mwami nwele anya. Hey! Anya keji amo kacharacha. Oda babwa. Eh? Fair and dark. Welcome to my family.
Thank you, Mama.
Welcome.
Thank you.
A very big welcome.
Thank you.
Where are you from, my daughter-in-law?
Mama, I'm from the family of late Chief Okonkwo. You know Manamata.
Late Chief. Ejie! You are just like your late father. The same color. Hey! Nenoimi. Oh. Hi! My dear. Their family is very peaceful. Nice family. Anyi elugelu. Hey! You are welcome. Hey! Yes, so hey, I am happy now.
Mama, let me get something for her.
Let me go and bring. Let me go.
Let me bring.
And come. Oh! This is what I want. Your mom, she's so cool. Are you sure? Are you sure? She's just so beautiful.
And she's dark like I am.
Dark like I am.
She's dark.
Because
she likes me.
Yeah, she does. Honestly.
So please,
don't worry.
Please, I'm truly sorry. Please forgive me and forgive my mother too. You know how my mother prays. But truly, I love you. I love you with all my heart, Abuchi.
Please, John, get your hands off me. Stop begging me. There's no need for you to be beating around the bush. Your mother insulted me. I don't want to get more insult from her. You know how I hate to be insulted.
But if you don't want my mother to know about us, we can be doing it secretly, yes. And in the future, maybe my mother will see reason with me.
No. Your mother is not going to see any reason with us. You know how stubborn your mother is. I know how she humiliated me. She insulted me. She said that I cannot take proper care of you. So you go and marry your mother. It's over between us.
No.
To be candid with you, I don't do hide and seek games. I go for what I like. OVER is over.
Abuchi, please. Please don't leave me.
Get your hands off me!
Abuchi, I love you. Please. Abuchi, please, I'm begging you.
What a world! You mean to tell me that your own father, a man that gave birth to you, persuades you to marry an old man? Hey! Arumekwara. In this our 20th century,
what else if not for money?
Money?
Yes.
Which money? Is money everything? What about your happiness? What about your peace and joy? Your father needs to understand that. See, as for me, I will not stop to encourage you to marry the man after your heart. The man you love with your whole heart. I won't like you to give in to any man that your father imposes on you. That is not fair. I know you doing how it works. Come now,
Mama, thanks very much for your encouragement.
You are welcome.
And I also made up my mind to tell my father the truth.
Truth?
Yes.
What truth?
I'm pregnant for Tenko. And he proposed to marry me.
Hey! You also? Hi! That's too fast. That's too bad. Don't you know that sex before marriage is a sin against God and humanity? Amara.
Amara. What did you just say? What did you just say now?
My good afternoon.
Hold your greeting. Hold your greeting.
Sorry.
How dare you interfere in my family's affair? Look, I heard everything you people discussed. Yes, I heard it.
I'm sorry.
Now, let me repeat myself. What did you say? That you are pregnant?
Yes, Papa.
For who?
For Tenko.
Hey!
Marry me.
Kucho Tenko.
The Pawantapa.
The Pawantapa. That poor rat. You allowed him to put you in a family way? Amara! What is wrong with you? So you have decided to disgrace me. I will disgrace you first. I'll beat you. I'll respect you. Get out! will deal with you. I will disown you. Since you have decided to disgrace me in this village, I will disgrace you first. Get your repeat on Mua. Get your repeat on Contact. Get your repeat. My pitog. I'm not forgivable.
This is when you're sitting like this. You must be it. What is it again?
Find it hard to believe that Ike will travel to abroad and forget about me. Mama, for years now that Ike has been abroad, he has not contacted me, Mama. Mama, why are men so wicked?
But I've told you countless times that that's your Ike. He's a Casanova. He's a playboy. Who knows? Maybe he has married a white man over there. Just forget about him. Don't behave as him. And find a place in your heart. Give space and chance for another one to come into your life.
Mama, I will stop blaming you. I can never stop blaming you. You chased almost all my suitors away, all because of your quest to have a well-being law. Now I've ended up with no one. Not even the most wretched man is coming for my hand in marriage, Mama.
It's okay, Mom. I am sorry. It's okay, I am sorry. There's nothing I did that I did intentionally. Everything I did it with good intentions for you. Think about it now. Check. No mother will want something negative for the child. I want the best for my child. Actually, working go balance a lot for my that will marry you. That was all I wanted. Yeah? Please forgive me. I'm sorry. How about that young, handsome, tall looking young man that was coming for you? What is his name now? Abuchi. Abuchi, no. Why don't you settle with him? It's fine, I can manage him.
He doesn't want me anymore.
No, Papa.
He has moved on with his life. I believe he must have gotten another girlfriend.
No, so I get it. Something can still be done. It can have a chance. Why can't you go? But you are beautiful. Seduce him. Make him to know that you are still interested. You know, it's a kind of step. Kwana. The man will know that you want him. The proper for man. Stop crying. You're behaving as if you've lost all hope. No one can lose hope. Bambi. No, Mama, about the last. Stop.
How could my daughter do this to me? Engineer Emeka is a millionaire. He could have built a mansion for me if my daughter had married him. But now, everything has fallen apart. My daughter chose a poor palm wine tapper over a millionaire. Neka. You are the one that misled my daughter. You must regret this. Your daughter will pay for this. Becky.
Emeka, I'm no longer comfortable with you staying in this village.
Why?
Why not travel out and make it there? I want to live with my husband in abroad.
But I don't have that kind of money.
Ike, who traveled to abroad? Is it not your age mate?
Charity, why are you doing comparison between I and Ike? All fingers are not equal. And besides, Ike in question has kept his family worried ever since he traveled. No one knows if he's alive or dead. Come on.
Hey! Good day, sir.
Yeah? Young man, what are you doing in my house?
Good day, sir.
So... So this idiot have no fear to corrupt my own daughter in my own house.
No, Papa. This is the first time he's coming here now. Yeah.
Shut up, you! I will... Hey! Hey!
Beke, you will know no peace in your husband's house. You will live a miserable life all the days of your life. This is your punishment because your mother misled my daughter. Idiot, Anofia. Mua. Kina maka. Arusi wobolo. Deka mua. Iya no daya. Galmozi. Ifo e chokofu. Muna gị na ama aka. Anofia.
No problem, my daughter. You can go ahead and marry whoever you want to marry. Yes, go and marry. That man you said that proposed to you. You can't keep yourself waiting. Women are just like flower that if you don't water them, they die off. You have waited. Oh, just do your thing. Live on with your life. No problem. My prayer is that it shall be well with you wherever you be. Oh?
But Mama, are you sure that I've made the right decision?
Yes, you have. I said it with all my heart. I'm very much comfortable with that. Oh? Okay, no now. Go and marry. Go. My son, Ike. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows what happened to him in abroad? I don't want to cry, you.
Please don't. Don't cry.
I will not. I will not.
Mama, I thank God though that Ike's mom has given Beke permission to get married to another man.
My daughter. Nneka, my daughter, loves Ike very, very much. So I don't know how what she's going to do about it. Eh?
I suggest that Beke carries on with her life and forget about this Ike. Someone who has traveled years back without contacting her. Eh? I'm sure he has gotten married to a white woman and forgotten about Beke, my friend. Eh?
Sorry. This is so complicated. I don't just know what to believe again. Eh?
Hey, Mama. This reminds me of a dream Beke told me last time. where if she saw Ike died in the dream. Maybe this is what is happening now. The relation is coming to reality.
It may be. It may be not. Let's just forget about Becky and talk about you. What of your children and your husband? How are they?
I'm fine, no. We are fine. My husband has gone to work. Children are playing.
Your father. Hope you people have settled.
No, that one. He has locked up his heart not to accept me as his daughter. And me, I cannot come and kill myself.
Neka, how is life treating your daughter? I told you. You will surely regret what you did to me. I am so happy that your daughter, Becky, is paying for this. I am still monitoring her.
My queen, my beauty, Becky, my assurance. You know I love you.
I know.
You know.
Yes.
I want to take over everything about you. Your totality, from the strong of your head to the toe of your feet.
Please stop.
I want you to give me your all. I want you to assure me of something.
What's this?
Can you please close your eyes?
Why should I close my eyes?
Please.
No mistake.
No mistake.
Okay. Girl, please.
Close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
Hey! Don't mind him, Jare. I am not Jare. Becky! How many times did I call your name? Becky! So all these rumors that I've been hearing about you and this escapade is true. But why is it that women, you people cannot have single patience and get it? You will not have. What is it with Jonathan? Did you call patience? Why?
You know that it's past 6 years that your friend traveled.
They
have not contacted me.
You know I am busy.
Obviously.
Hey!
She doesn't need me anymore.
Hey! It's 6 months, remember. Okay! Do you know if that place if it's in prison? You should have waited a little more time, just small time when you wait. You will learn. You want to come and do this with this person. It's alright, there's no problem. Hence you have decided to, I don't even know why your mother gave birth to you and called you again. Because if they had put you in a scale of future preference, they have put you in a scale and I see that you become that can, they would have called you charcoal or that can or kiwi. Yes!
Chimapa, please try to understand me. It's over 6 years now that your friend traveled. He has not contacted me.
Over again?
6 years.
Yeah, Chimamba. You don't expect her to sit down and wait for your friend. And we both love each other so much.
Okay, both of you love each other. You should have told me ship of you love each other. Or even canoe of you. Not only both of you. It's canoe of you that loves each other. Since you have decided to marry this Mogo, let me say you want to balance color. Black and white. That's what you want to balance. That's the reason you decided to marry this person. There's no problem. Look, if you want me to be happy, just to give me something. For me to go and get something.
Okay, if you want me to be happy, problem, I have enough. I have enough.
You have enough. You have enough. Stop making it. It's alright. This is no, don't fool me. Let it not be like you're giving me dollar. This is 1,000 naira. This is one. They're giving me transport.
Transport again.
I need to go there to buy it. I'm a joker.
Now, you know that the Mama Kichi's joint.
Mama Kichi's joint has shifted to Mama Kichi's place now.
But she's not Mama Kichi's place.
Yes. Give me transport.
Go now.
Don't
worry. That is the good thing I love her so much.
Of course, I know.
For you to leave her out and continue.
Of course, I love her so much.
Oh,
now this one is transport money. Then can you give me money for shut up, don't talk?
Shut up, don't talk.
Yes.
I added everything, but I go.
Let me go shut up, don't talk. Now,
Choma, why are you advising me to go back to Choma? I mean, it's been years I separated from her.
It doesn't mean anything. You can still reunite with her.
Reunite with her?
Yes.
Well, my problem is her mother. I don't want her trouble again.
Her mother doesn't have any say in her life again. Believe me.
Chima, why are you so confident about this? Wait a minute. Are you trying to tell me that you have been meeting Choma?
Abuchi, you are my very good friend. And do you know I won't do anything against you?
Alright then. Let me gamble your trust.
Okay. No problem. Since you said gamble.
I miss you too.
Jojo!
Abu!
When you are touching me, you still hear me tell everything. Thank you so much. Let me ask you. How about your mother? What if she comes back? I mean, she's going to be upset with me. I don't want her to eat me alive.
Nothing like that. Mother is
I'm scared of how, you know how she reacts. She fights like a tiger.
That's again.
Tiger.
Abu, good evening, man. How are you? Abu,
the kind of you, the Bahama. Nah, how are you? You're welcome, eh?
I'm fine.
Good. I can see you're fine. Everything, you are fine. Nah. Where your jamba? After the papa gonna give me, what I call it? What time no see? Eh? I have been wondering what has become of you. Do you want to visit us anymore? And what is Panama? Eh? Gee, I hope you have offered something to him.
Not yet, Mama.
It's not yet. Give it. What are you waiting for? With all that I have inside. Go and give him something to eat and drink and anything he wants.
Okay, Mama.
Serve him.
Come in.
I will go in. I can like, hey, I want that light.
Yes,
no, take glass.
There's light.
Abuchi, eat anything, eh? Give him water, give him food. Why would you see him take Keep it comfortable.
I know you had so much fun with Abuchi last night. Yes, Mama. Hey, this is what I want to hear. Good. You did it. This is nice. Good. If you get pregnant from this, we will hold Abuchi responsible for it. We will pin him down. Mama. Abuchi is your own property now. Nobody will take him away from you. Thank you, Mama.
Mama, good afternoon.
Nah.
Choma.
How
are you?
You're welcome.
Thank you, Mama. I have come to collect the balance of the money. Thank you.
Chima, welcome.
Thank you.
Balance, I will give you. Mama, what deal do you have with Abuchi's friend? It was Chima that I bribed to convince Abuchi to do that thing. Mama, you went too far now. Why would I go too far, my daughter?
Without it, Abuchi wouldn't have done what he did.
Mama, you did a very good work.
Thank you, Mama.
I'll give you back your money, your balance. But I'll just wait. Hey, Chima. Oh yeah, Mama. It's all right. I kept this morning waiting for you to come because you did a good job. For the 4,000.
Yes, ma'am.
It's complete.
Thank you, ma'am.
See how I'm spending money. Good work.
Thank you,
ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, eh? If anything arises, I will call you again.
No problem.
You're just too smart. Why would I be? My daughter has to get married. And that Buchi Kaicho. Wow, are you pregnant already? Mama! Just yesterday. I'm not. You have to.
Your food is here. Try and eat, eh?
No, Mama. I don't want to eat. Mama, I don't have the appetite for food. Tell me, how am I supposed to eat when the man I love, Mama, the only man I love with my heart, is lying down there?
I understand how you feel. Trust me, I feel your pains. But we are talking about your life here. For some days now, you've not eaten anything. Please, try and put something into your stomach.
No, Mama, no, I don't have the appetite. I don't want to eat.
Just small, taste small.
Mama, please, I don't want.
Hey! You want one?
Bekee. A na-akpọ bekee Etiko. Bekee na-eji ka ewu Hausa ka a na-akpọ bekee Etiko. Now, you've buried your husband. This is just the beginning of your troubles. Yes. Neka, you brought this upon your daughter. Yes. Your mother brought this upon you.
Papa. That sir. Papa, how are you faring? Hope you're good. And Papa, I was actually heading to see my friend Becky that lost her husband. And I decided to come and check on my darling father.
Who is your darling father? Who is your darling father? Don't you know your father? I'm not your father. I've disowned you long ago. And I remember I've told you severally that I don't want to see you in this compound again. So what I do here? What I do here? Now get out of this place.
Papa, please. I'm begging in the name of God. Forgive me for all the wrongs I've done to you.
You are begging me?
Yes, Papa. Please.
Right?
Yes, Papa.
I should forgive you. It's okay. I should forgive you. I should forgive you. I should forgive you. This is not fair. Papa, this is not fair. Now get out. Come, get out.
Sorry, okay. It is quite unfortunate, you know. As a matter of fact, when I heard about your husband's death, it shocked me. I was so conjured and marveled. I said that what kind of a thing is this one now? In fact, I felt very terrible, you know. But I'm sorry, you know, because when it happened, I couldn't come for your husband's burial. I was in my maternal home that time doing one or two things, so I couldn't come. But while I was in my maternal home, something was telling me in my mind that Chimam, you're missing burial food and drinks. So I didn't eat the burial food. I didn't eat the burial drinks. So I said, I've missed anyway. But a thought came again and said, look, there must be remnants, you know, some of the drinks and food that is remaining. So I said, let me come and tell you that I sympathize with you. As a matter of fact, I cued myself into your pain. So I mourned with you, actually. And every worker deserves, deserves salary. So now that I mourned with you, now I have come to take my salary, you know, which is the remnant of the drinks and the food. My container is empty. There is enough space. So just go inside and get me something. Becky, stop crying now. Becky, I know how many times I told you, I warned you against that boy. I said, leave this boy, leave this boy. You don't have future with this boy. But you refused. You didn't take my advice. If you had taken my advice, all these things that are happening wouldn't have happened. This crying that you're crying, you won't be crying. But because you ignored me and said there's a talk of a drunk, well, you see it. You know, that one is bad. What you're going to do now is go inside and get me something to like some drinks to eat and some food to drink. It's becoming what I cannot explain. See, you don't. I'm starting crying now. It's not like I know that it's just that. If you had voted for my friend, a little person, for him to return. It's alright. It's alright. I can see now that you're crying. Let me go. By the time I come back, you must be relaxed. I'm giving you my drink. I don't want to cry here now because if I start, I won't cry here now. Your husband may come back alive. But let me not cry because I don't want him to come back alive. I'm not crying for your dead husband. I'm crying for you. But it's alright. Let me go. It's alright. It's alright. I have transformed. It's alright. See, let me go now. By the time I go and come back, your mind will have been relaxed. You need to give me this thing.
Oko ebekino Dimo ebeki jere Lemo akwari rebwemo Uwamo muno nyegebi Ko
Please, I want you to help me talk to her. Ever since she lost her husband, she has been behaving somehow. She has been taking care of herself. I'm even afraid that she might commit suicide one day.
God forbid. Such thing will not happen.
That is the only reason I want you to talk to her. I don't want anything bad to happen to my Etiko.
Mama, I promise I will take good care of her. I will give her all the support she needs and equally make her come out from the trauma.
Thank you, and God bless you, family.
You're welcome, Mama.
Let me do something for you.
Alright. I fell in love with you right from the day I set my eyes on you. You don't know how happy I am to be loved by you. You are my joy and my happiness. I love you with my body and soul. No, we are not in the shop. Today is Sunday. My brother is at home. Alright, thank you. Good afternoon.
Please, I am Becky. I came to say call my friend.
Oh, Becky. I remember that name. My brother have told me so many good things about you.
Thank you, sir.
Honestly speaking, you are indeed a beautiful damsel.
Thank you.
It's my pleasure meeting you.
Thank you. Please, is it in?
Yes, he's inside. Let me take you inside.
Okay.
Honestly, Amaka, I really feel for that girl, Becky. Just 1 week she got married and her husband died. My sister, it is strange. It is strange to me. I'm sure that girl is possessed. What? How do you mean? Oh, I am very sure that girl has a spiritual husband. Amaka! It is a spiritual husband that killed Professor husband. Amaka, please, mind what you say about people. Don't let this your tongue put you into trouble. The world has ears, Amaka. Amaka, that is the truth. It's what truth? What truth? Okay. When you're done talking, join me. Also, the girl, if you like, don't believe. I've said my mind though, and it's the truth.
Yes, self-friend. Manage this 50,000 naira and take good care of yourself.
50,000 naira? Too much investment.
Just manage it. You will need it more than I made it.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. No problem.
Charity, please. Come back to me. Don't do this to me. Please, I beg you.
Emeka, are you dumb? I have told you I have no future with you. We have been friends for years now, yet no development. I don't want to marry a poor guy. I want to marry a rich guy who can take care of me.
Charity, it's me. Me, you are Emeka. Don't do this to me. And besides, the condition I am now, it's not going to be permanent. Please, it's not.
Not in your own case, Emeka. Your condition is permanent. And if you must know, IK is coming to pay my bride price once he comes back from abroad.
Charity. Charity! Charity!
Hey! Amaka! So nice. This one you remembered me today. Go, John. Go, John. You know you're my best friend.
You're always in my mind.
Hey.
This is where you are. You know me.
Your best friend.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
I was actually coming to your house when I saw that useless friend of ours, Choma.
Oh, Choma. How is she?
I don't know. Because we parted in quarrels. I don't know.
How come? I know you're the troublesome one.
Oh, how can you say something like that? See, I told her the truth and she started insulting me.
Truth about what?
About Beke now. Beke's misfortune. Beke's husband's death. The truth.
What truth did you tell her?
Oh, you're not in this village, Abi? Beke's spiritual husband killed the physical one.
You, Amaka, one day, your mouth will land into trouble in this village.
Who doesn't know that Beke has spiritual husband? Oh, I can't wait she won't where. See, your hand is smelling fufu. You have food in the house. Let's go.
Go.
Go. Get the food. I can't wait she won't where.
Come and help me after I was even trying looking for someone that will help me.
Where did you get this huge amount of money from?
Mama, it's my late husband's brother that gave it to me.
Hey, Abuchi is a one mother. Hey, I am so happy that he don't want you to lack anything, and he don't want you to feel dejected. Hmm?
No. But I'm scared, Mama.
Scared of what? See, it means no harm. Hmm? I strongly believe that he gave it to you with good intention and that it came from his heart. Hmm? Just take it. Hi, God will bless him. One time, one habukezi one mad.
Mama, I think I'm pregnant.
Yeah! Praise the Lord!
Hallelujah! Hey, no, pregnant! I think we are going to tie that idiot down with this pregnancy.
No, Mama, how can you call the father of my unborn child an idiot? It's not fair, Mama.
Is that not fair? Is that not what it is? Anyway, forgive my manners. Come and sit down. Piano down. Now, let us prepare and go and meet him immediately. I'll be there, Bath. You go pregnant. I surrender. I surrender. We're going there immediately. Relax now. The pregnancy is not a disease, it's not illness, it's natural. Praise the Lord. Who is here? Get me over! Get out! Who is here? Get me where it is? You that knows the road. Reality. What is good at you? Anyway, you can do anything. Everything is good. Who made it for you?
Mama, everything is
Abuchi, congratulations. You've heard my daughter. She said you are responsible for her pregnancy. No problem. You are right. You did everything very, very fine. Yes, Bola, you played your suckers very well. You don't miss your penalties. I did the idea. Boom, net. This time around, you scored against me. Congratulations. What do I call you? C. Ronaldo or Messi? In short, you are both of them combined together. Ronaldo or Messi, you will score Nupu goal. See, Ngobolo, take the hand of my daughter. I have given her to you. Make sure you marry her. You won't have problem with me. Congratulations. And dear Bafuma.
Yes, it's true.
How can you be pregnant when it was only just one night? Just one night.
Gee, that one night it was like 8 nights. You know how you rubbish me. You know how you rubbish me that night in the bush. Rubbish me.
Choma, how can one night form a baby inside your womb?
Abuchi. Even a second can form a baby.
You lie. Because I could remember vividly that night, I did not even last up to 40 seconds. And you are telling me that you are pregnant. If you are looking for whom impregnated you, go to the village square and not here in my house. Get out.
Abuchi, no.
How can one night form a baby inside your womb?
A minute can form a baby.
Get out! I said get out! Get out! Get out of my house! Get out! Get out!
What is the meaning of this now? Why are you crying? What are you doing with this bag?
Mama, he threw me out of the house.
He did what? Who threw you out? Abuchikwa. And you accepted. He threw you, the whole of you, out. And you are agreed to come back. To do what in my house? That place is what where you belong. What are you talking about? You will go back there and stay. I'm not going back there, Mama. You just have to go back there.
Just leave me alone.
What do you mean? I am not going after you. You're the cook of this thing, Mama. I apologize. I apologize. I told you that I'm sorry. Now that your Abuchi has impregnated you, you have to go there and remain. What do you mean?
Mama, I'm not going. I'm going if you want to go there.
Choma, you have to go. Choma, I don't know. Am I the one that impregnated you? You have to look after a pregnant woman. You told me it's Abuchi. I know it's Abuchi. You have to tie him down with this pregnancy. Eh? Choma, come back with that police. Girl must go. Whatever you are carrying, no. Come back with it and let's go back to Abuchi. You will go back to him. Go to
What do you think you are doing here?
Mama, actually I'm checking on how to buy a better net to fill the holes. You know, a better net.
Oh, I can see that you are a very good in-law. You are trying to change the net by peeping at my daughter while she's changing her clothes. Eh? What kind of a man are you?
Please, mother. Please. You don't have to be deceived by your thinking. I am not that kind of a man.
You are not that kind of a man. You are here peeping at my daughter. Come here. Why are you peeping at my daughter? Eh? Why?
Ever waiting for food. See the beans I told you to pick since 2 hours ago.
Mama, you like complaining too much. Nah, because you're too much.
Look, if you you better go inside or go outside. Charity, oh, it's good. You're welcome. You brought water for me. Good care.
Okay, now.
Take this water inside. Peanut go away again.
I told you, like this. Come on, let me fight.
Let me come and see that. Don't mind me. This boy is just useless. Let me put it down. Let me come and sit down. I'm alive. Hey, God will bless you. You've been helping me from being a all my prayer is that, okay, how can I help? All my prayer is that you will become my daughter-in-law one day. Just that I'm not here for my son since he traveled abroad. I don't go to Nollywood.
Well, you worry too much. I understand your feelings. Don't worry, it's all I have heard you shouting. What was that?
It's nothing. Don't worry about that. It's nothing. I've been thinking.
About what?
Why don't you back out from this house and follow me to our house? You can stay there and mourn your husband. After the mourning, you can then marry a man who deserves you.
Mama, how could you say such a thing? To be honest with you, you're the last person I expected to say something like that. Mama, you know how much I love my husband.
No man can take his place in my life, Father. No man. Mama, please. Try to understand me, please. Your husband is no longer alive. And you are still young. You have to remind.
Okoro, I am sorry. I can't help but to love her. What I have for her is true love. Please, I am sorry. Forgive me. Rest in peace, my brother. I can no longer hide the romantic feelings I have for you. I fell in love with you right from the first day I set my eyes on you. I love you so much. I love you.
Stop this nonsense! Stop it! I am so disappointed at you. Your brother will be so ashamed of you in his grave. Can you imagine, for crying out loud, my husband made you who you are? He even established a good business for you. And now...
Becky, you have to understand me. I truly love you. I love you from the depth of my heart.
What is it? What happened? Talk to me now. What is it? What is the matter? Please talk to me.
Charity, what is this rumor that I'm hearing about? That you now do house chores for Mama Norma because of her son in abroad. Don't you know that by now, that her son is supposed to would have been dead by now?
God forbid, Papa. Nothing bad will happen to my future husband.
Or saying God forbid. Nothing bad will happen to my future husband. I wonder how shall never end. Oh, Elubega, but was an noche. Hey, let me tell you, what you're doing is not good. You do house shows for this woman, but in my own house, you don't do anything. If not that I force you, you don't do anything in the house. Try to be careful. You better be careful. Makana tiano eburia n'isi.
Abuchi, why have you chosen to torment my life? I have told you countless times that I cannot have anything to do with you. Yes, I cannot love any man the way I loved my late husband Okoro. Please, stay away from me. Else, I will report you to the villagers, and I mean it.
Just try it and see the other side of me. Oh, you think you are wise, hmm? You know what? Go inside there and get me the money I gave you. Yes, the 50,000 naira I gave you. I want it back. I guess you must have eaten all of them. So, it's better you agree with me, or you give me back my 50,000 naira.
Really? Foolish man.
Can you imagine?
Have it! Just look at you. Of course, I know that it will get to this. That is why I refuse to touch the money. Now you have it. Eat it. Rubbish.
She didn't touch the money. Oh, you think you are wise? Hmm? You think you are a smart woman? Don't worry. I promise to frustrate you step by step in this house since you have decided not to agree with me. It's a promise.
Nothing. And you're crying.
Isn't that my father?
Father.
He had decided not to acknowledge me as his own daughter. Fine. Can you imagine I went to his house today to wish him happy Father's Day? All my own father could pay me back with was to pour me water.
Hey. Nagi. You know your father. Obi Kukute. Onwe hamba halo. Mama. No worry. Just what? Don't worry. God will see us through.
When? I have tried all I can to make him accept me as his own daughter. But no. No, he won't.
Don't worry.
God will make a way. Huh?
Oga, ndewo.
Abuchi, good morning.
Oga, ndewo.
Chioma! Hey! I'm going. I'm going. What the fuck? I want to force your name. Don't start your own. Hey, Nne, darling. Oh, darling. Well done. That widow, she has suffered a lot in this village. Hey, do you know that I even heard that her husband's brother is forcing her to become his lover? What? Hey. Okay, Amaka, you've not heard. It's no longer rumor in this village now. No wonder. Abuchi, no wonder Abuchi is falling in love with her. Abuchi loves her so much. I've been admiring Abuchi for a very long time. Abuchi choose to fall in love with a widow. You this girl, you're a very naughty girl. Oh. You're very naughty. So I don't remember but I love Abuchi now. I think I need to join Choma in the bush. Often and some. Me, I'm going. Even that Choma that I've been waiting for. Nah, you push it.
Miserable.
My Mr. Handsome.
What is the meaning of this?
Honestly, today is my lucky day. I've been loving you for a very long time, but you don't seem to notice me. Look at me now. Am I not beautiful? Yet you chose that widow over me. Now, I am warning you before that man's husband will destroy you in anger. My Mr. Handsome.
How dare you? How dare you? Next time you repeat this stupidity, I swear I will behead you. Foolish woman.
Hey! I love you!
I have to give you your best anytime you want it.
My sweet mother.
Oh, she is even waiting in my own farmland. Hey, what do you think you are doing in my farmland? I repeat myself, what do you think you are doing in my farmland?
Abuchi, have you forgotten that this is my late husband's farmland?
Says who?
You know it. Hey. Abuchi, lie. This is one way. You are a liar. This is my late husband's farmland.
You better shut up before I cut off your tongue. This land belongs to me. It's mine. So get out of this place before I behead you.
Hey, Abuchi. See, I will not take it lightly with you. If you threaten the life of my daughter or talk to her in this manner again, what is wrong with you? Eh?
Please, woman, I do not want to be rude to you. Just take your daughter and get out of this place.
Are you insane?
Get out!
Mama, we are not going anywhere.
Mama, let's get up.
Mama, let's go. The devil has done that.
Shoo. If you don't get out of this place, I will behead both of you. Get out! Useless people. It's you that will regret it. It's you that is deceiving your daughter. Can you imagine her? Just for her to give me a mini cocoa, under 30 minutes, I'll be done. Imagine. Look at all the beauty created in her. She wants to allow it to waste. She don't want to give it to me. Let me see you again crossing in this farmland as if I will not cut off your legs. Stupid.
Funanya. Hey. Amaka Ogini, why are you shouting my name like this now? See, if you see what I saw now, if you see the way Abuchi chased his late brother's wife and her mother out from the farm, what? You marry him better. I saw it with my 2 naked eyes. Just now. Hey, Amaka, you know, I am beginning to think that Abuchi, he's possessed by an evil spirit. Whoa. Okay, if not, why will he decide to fall in love with a widow? His late brother's wife, for that matter. I'm beginning to think so too. Hey! If you can't see, if you can't see Abuchi Baramna, if you see the kind of slap Abuchi gave to me, oh, offer him that Abuchi slapped you. Hey, Abuchi opened his palms, and gave me a very hot slap. Makaginiti. Give me contact. Just because I told Abuchi I love him. Abuchi, I love you. Ogola. Abuchi, asaka yopa, What's that? You're laughing at me? Because we're both coming to can't see. Is that why your face is red?
I never knew you could be so heartless and wicked to her. What's wrong has she ever done to you to deserve this kind of wickedness from you? Don't let the God of widows to fight you. And believe me, if she calls you, you will surely suffer. Wicked man. Foolish man.
The oracle have spoken. Both of you haven't seen anything yet. Wait for my next outburst.
What kind of a thing is this? From one problem to another. I don't believe the brother-in-law can do such a thing. I thought he's a good man.
My daughter, you were not as surprised as I was then. I only thank God that my daughter did not spend a dime out of the money given to her by him. If not, he would have used it against her.
That was a wise decision. It's a wise one. My friend is a wise girl.
You know your friend now. She's very intelligent. Any hope about your father?
Nothing yet. Nothing has changed. I handed everything over to God.
Abuchi, you are a disgrace. Abuchi, you are a disgrace to manhood. You are a disgrace to society and we of handsome men. You are a disgrace to human, in fact, generally, you are a disgrace to humanhood. Excuse me. Are we quarreling? Yes, we are quarreling. We are quarreling because You allowed yourself, stupid. Of all women in this village, why did you choose your late brother's wife? You chose your late brother's wife. After all the whole 5 years, oh my lying. And what do I? You did not say a girl that a single girl that you will marry. It is your late brother's wife. Let me tell you. One day like this, your late brother's spirit will stand up and look for you. All go wrote a letter in an ocean. In water, all these hairs all over you, all these hairs you gathered. In my way, Samson, but work here, but as you know, be. Oh my, where or take a spirit one day walking short or ag water, there's a blend. Langash, your late brother's spirit will use it as a blend like this. Langash,
Hey, just shut up, just keep quiet. You know what? I don't have time for an empty fool like you.
You're an empty. Yes, I am a fool. You are empty. Look at you. Let me tell you, Abuchi, very soon in this village, tell them that of all the women in this village, you did not see a single beautiful girl to be with. It is your late brother's wife. One day, if this thing was an old man doing this thing, I would have said he's an old man. But for a young boy like you to misbehave like this, you nonsense woman being. Nonsense. Look at hairs everywhere. Why can we? You didn't have all that you when they walking around. Spirit here will stand up like this. Where there is a blade hotel, Langash Alra Samson. Chineka Bong. I'm not going to put Samson. Anna Bong Samson. Where I should budget in the Jacob. Neso. Let me tell you, the evil that men do no longer live after them. It lives with them. Which means your late brother. I will go to his grave. It is me, your late brother, your brother. In fact, you're a late.
I was going to ask you something, but just tell me the truth. Is it true?
Truth about what?
I heard you're going out with your late brother's wife. Tell me the truth, Abuchi. Abuchi, please, tell me the truth. Tell me it's not true, please.
Excuse. Well, if truly she will give me the opportunity to make her mine and mine forever, I will do it.
Abuchi, no!
You know why?
No.
It's because I love her with my body and soul. If this will make you to stay away from me, do it as fast as possible. Get your hands off me.
Abuchi, please now. Abuchi, please, I'm begging.
Waka there, Waka.
Abuchi. Was I going to? Abuchi. What was I going to say? I don't even know where I was going to. Abuchi.
Let me confess. I want to confess.
Confess what?
I want to confess.
What confession? Papa! Hey! Somebody help me! Papa! 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 Oh God. What could be the meaning of this dream? God, please. Don't let anything bad happen to my father. Please, God, I beg you.
This young man or boy, should I call him, is a compact fool. He is stupid and foolish. Can you imagine? What does it say in a half-baked food, second-hand food that has been eaten before and gone? A widow. Tell me, what man in his right senses would prefer a widow to a full chassis lady like you? What does that woman have that you do not have? Can you find one? You're standing tall, shaped, beautiful, everything. He must be a blind man. He is foolish, very, very stupid. And I will never forgive I will forgive you, Mama. Why was going for by Alamo? What was he forgive you? Because everything I did it for your own good. The reason I'm even considering him is because it's like we don't have a choice again. That's why I'm pushing you to go and hold him. Can you imagine meeting him on the way and he will tell you he preferred that widow to you? Even if I will stand and I will punch him and put him back, bring back his senses to face me. Every time you will forgive me. If you had married a millionaire that would bring you money to us, will you be saying you will forgive me? I will go to his house tomorrow. I will teach him a lesson. In short, I will cause commotion there. I will punch him if he doesn't take time. And man gave me a man on one man for them to send. Is he mad? I'm mad to say I put you all the mad to prefer my other woman in place of my daughter. He will marry you. He will settle with you. Mama, what is it? Good morning. What is good about this morning? What is good about it? When you are stealing my son-in-law from me, how can you open your stupid mouth to even greet me? Stupid widow. I'm not fair. See, I have simply to warn you. Please stay away from Abuchi. Leave our Abuchi alone. Abuchi is meant for my daughter, not for people like you. Nekede. How can you compare your ugly self to my beautiful daughter? Abuchi ne mentioning your name. For what? Oh, you don't say? Kongo and you don't say? If I ever see you near Abuchi again, even get Meggy.
Mama, as you can see, Abuchi is not at home. When you see him, you can tell him all these things now.
I am talking to you because you are my primary concern. You are the one that is stealing Abuchi from us. So I have met everybody at home. Rap Abuchi Aka! How can you trespass where I go to? My daughter is meant for Abuchi. And if you refuse to leave Abuchi alone, let me tell you, you are simply warming and decorating and presenting yourself to your early grave. Makaki me Megincha. Maggie, you short that your dead husband, he get to again. Stupid girl called woman. Why do I even address you? Try it next time. Idiot. Let me see near him again. How can I possibly like I'm treating them with you like this? Don't worry. The God of Jesus will judge
you. That was the dream I had yesterday. I had wanted to go see my father that same yesterday. On a second thought, I decided to wait for you to come back from your outside work so I can inform you first before going to see him.
Hi. It's really a bad dream. But no worry. I'll go with you to go and see your father.
Are you serious? Well, that's fine. But the problem I have now is, I pray that you listen to me. You know the way he behaves now.
Let's keep hope alive.
What is it again?
Mama, this time I tell you everything that Abuja has been doing to me in this house. Mama, can you imagine that Abuja wants me to be his bedmate? And I kept on refusing him. He even took the money he gave me.
I know. I knew it right from the time I caught him peeping at you while you were changing your clothes.
What? And you never told me.
Right then, I was not sure. But now I'm certain. It was the reason I tried to persuade you to follow me. But you refused.
Mama, why is all this happening to me? What did I do wrong?
My daughter, you did nothing wrong. You did nothing wrong. It's just one of those things.
This is evil. This is evil. It's a taboo in this land. It's abomination. Eh? So, oh God, so these things have been happening all along. And you people chose to hide it from me. You chose to hide it from me. But how can Abuchi, such a young man, involve himself in such evil activities? Eh? How can Abuchi choose to be evil in his ways?
Honestly, I was so surprised. Honestly speaking, the pressure on me was so much that I couldn't take it anymore.
You should have told me that time. You should have told me. So I know how to handle it. But never mind. Don't worry. I will inform my fellow elders. So that they will put our heads together and know how to solve the problem immediately. I'll consult my fellow elders. Okay,
Papa, so you're cleaning your sandal. Good afternoon.
Otenku, what are you doing in my house?
Father-in-law.
What did you just say? Father-in-law. Udele gị anụ gị. Agwọ na-esusu gị ọnụ. Nkịta rara asị ga-amị gị ọnụ. Did you hear what I said? Nonsense. You have the guts to come to my house and call me your in-law. Hey! I'm coming. Nonsense. Nonsense. Unu ga na-eme lovey n'iru m.
Papa.
Onye bụ papa gị? Lovey ka unu ga na-eme. Nwa, chebe afọ. Ndala. Ọkwa ifo gị, don't come back to this house. Follow Otenku. Follow him. Nonsense. Onye ala. Otenku, you are not afraid of me. You are not afraid of Okonta in my presence, in my house. Kina Pito, na totori wam, muhapuze gi itaya ni room. Okwa? Mmeme gife, okwa gi? Amara, mma agbaga akpọ na ndị. Ka m gwa gị na mụ awụ nna gị, onye ala. Okwa gi? Idiot, nonsense people, stupid people.
Mama, why is it that you did not see your period for more than a month and you refuse telling me your own mother? I wanted to be sure that I'm carrying a God's child. At least, I am so happy that you left something for me to do. I know you are not happy. And I thank God that you are pregnant for the only man you ever loved. I'm so happy, Mama. Don't worry. When we reach home, I will prepare your favorite.
I swear to God who made me. I will never go back there to look for that man again. In fact, I will forget the fact that he's my father.
Hey, don't talk like that.
Leave me alone. What is don't talk like that? Enough is enough. I'm fed up. I'm fed up trying. I wish I have a loving and caring father. He wouldn't have done this to me.
Come back. I don't want to see them ever again in this house. Huh? Watching that girl being so stingy since she has decided not to complain to me. That no one to spend her here in my house. She must leave. She must leave.
What is the meaning of this? Why is our luggage outside?
Isn't it obvious that both of you are no longer needed in my house? I want you two to get out of this place. Take your daughter and get out!
No, we are not in the shop. Today is Sunday. My brother is at home. Alright, thank you. Good afternoon.
Please, I am Becky. I came to say call my friend.
Oh, Becky. I remember that name. My brother have told me so many good things about you.
Thank you, sir.
Honestly speaking, you are indeed a beautiful damsel.
Thank you.
It's my pleasure meeting you.
Thank you. Please, is it in?
Yes, he's inside. Let me take you.
Okay.
She is a beautiful girl. I think I have strong passion for her. But she is my brother's fiancée. I think I'm falling for her. How I wish I met her before my brother did.
beautiful. Beautiful like a diamond in the sky.
Thank you.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
You're making me shy.
How are you? I know your beauty is capable of restoring the sight of the blind.
Stop.
Wow.
How can you think of falling in love with your brother's wife? You know it is an abomination.
Sechima, I love that girl. I love her with all my heart. If what I have for her isn't true love, then there is no such thing like love. I have done everything within my power to forget her, but all to no avail.
See, my brother, you just have to try harder. You will forget her.
I don't think so. If I cannot have that girl, I will explode one day. See, love and feelings is something that comes naturally. It's something that you cannot escape from, right?
Yes.
Then I want you to help me to take me any place, to get any kind of charm, to make my brother to hate that girl. I want to use the opportunity to have the girl. Please. I love her.
I am the jelly wine. I make things happen. Just a little drop of this substance. He will hate her forever. Then you have the opportunity to have her. A little drop. I repeat, a little drop. Else, there will be a problem. A little drop. You may not go.
Please, I really need your help. My brother just died. The liquid substance you gave me, I wanted to add a little, but I thought the little would not work. I had to add all of them so that he can hurt her with passion. But he ate the food and died.
I warned you. I told you to add just a little drop. And you added everything. Why are you so greedy? Why are you wicked? You see, carry your cross alone. Akamadeya.
Zawai, please. Please, I need your help. If there is any substance you can give me to revive him back, please do it. I don't want my brother to die. I cannot bear it.
I am sorry. There is nothing I can do. Then leave my house. Leave. I said leave.
That was how it all happened. I never meant to kill my brother. It wasn't intentional. I was only fighting for the love I have for Beke. Please.
Abuchi, you killed your own blood, your brother.
Papa, Abuchi killed my husband.
Hey! Child! You are a wicked man. You must die. Abuchi, you must die. You don't deserve to be alive. You must follow him now. You will meet the devil. He will fuel you. He will gas you. He will put fire on you. Abuchi, you will burn to ashes. Abuchi, you will burn.
You are the second person that is telling me that Emeka is a ritualist. I don't know. And I was pushing my daughter to marry him. Thank God the marriage didn't come true. I even heard that any woman that he marries dies.
Yes, so.
Wonder shall never end. Emeka, for people.
Hey, Amakande, who could believe that such a handsome young man could be this evil and heartless? Hey!
My sister. Honestly.
I'm telling you.
Look at how land just swallowed that young man. That young handsome man.
Hey!
Anyway, when I marry Ebere, he brought it upon himself. Ebere Alala.
Oh.
Chabi Beziapa.
I won't.
My sweet daughter, how do I start to ask for your forgiveness? I should have listened to you. I should have blessed your marriage with the man of your choice.
Hey, Abuchi. Despite all my advice, Abuchi is still still misbehaving. Continue misbehaving until he ended up just like this. Wasted his youth. Hey, Abuchi.
Akara ntị ma ọnụ gị ebupụ isi ya na yeso.
Onyan. Advised him several occasions as the uncle. See what has happened.
And it's only a stubborn fly that follows the corpse to the grave.
Okay.
Omegom.
Omela.
All the food in the kitchen. Why did you? Without even leaving a single spoonful for me. Chinedu the wicked. You are very wicked, let me tell you. You are a fun job. All you know how to do is to eat. But come to do house chores. You cannot. Chinedu,
Okay. Mama, if you're wicked, I'm more afford the money. Just remove it. Mama, I love you. When Brother Ike comes back and take me to America, I will show you love in full hand city now. Menyeg love.
That's one thing you know how to do. To calm me down. My name is all for your own betterment. Because of one I would have sent you out of this house. But let me ask you one thing, Chinedu. All this food you eat day by day, every minute of the day, where is it in your body? Because it's not showing. Can you go to any living organism or virus that eats them off? Let me know.
Hey! I can't. Mama, I told you. America.
Son, that is how it happened. Her husband died just a week after their marriage.
Wow. That is very sad.
So sad.
But she should have waited for me.
She did. She waited. But you were nowhere to be found. I even thought you died of plane crash.
God forbid.
Honestly.
Me? Plane crash? No, now. Though I was set up for drug trafficking and imprisoned, I suffered a lot. But thank God I was vindicated and paid for. That's all. I'm happy for that.
I really thank God that set you free. At least after all said and done, you are alive. All glory to God Almighty.
Brother, hope you brought something for me.
What are you still doing there? Tell Butemi, go and get food for him.
Food?
She brought something for you.
Come. What is this?
It's my nika.
Your nika.
Mama used to shout. Brother, you take me to America.
Even Japan. Want to go to South Africa?
Better. He will go down smell of.
Mama, you're looking good. What have you been eating?
God is there for me now.
I trust.
Chai! Onyama Aike! Do you know that God in heaven, this God, he works in a mysterious way. In a way that people will not understand. Do you know when I took my bait, I had a lot of clothes to make choice from. But something was telling me, wear this particular one, wear this trouser, wear this particular one, wear this trouser, wear this particular one. I wore this one that I'm wearing. Now look at you. We are wearing the same thing, yellow down, yellow up, blue down, blue up. Very fantastic combination. Oh, I come on, Mama. The only man that uses money to wipe his face. The only man will be saying he is more beautiful than a woman. The only man that, in fact, after you, now you. The only man that will build a house for me. The only man that will buy me a car. One day, you are that boy, you are that.
Hey! Honestly, if I continue listening to your praises, I will spend all my money on you.
As a matter of fact, this one that you did, you have done noble. You have done great. In fact, your name is supposed to be Elijah the Great. Ike the Great. Fantastic.
Good news I'm hearing.
Under Jehovah. Is it Jehovah? Yes.
I heard that my Becca is married. And the husband died a week after the traditional marriage. What happened?
Because you have just spoiled this joy now. The joy of this month that you spread me now. You've killed it with this because this thing. In fact, as a matter of fact, as it is, let me go home and mourn this talk now. This topic you brought up now, right? Because is it that game, Becky? That game. Do you know? In fact, I don't even know how they managed to give her that name, Becky, because she doesn't behave like Becky. I am sure, maybe, usually when they give birth to a child, he's always fair. The parents looked at her and say, "Oh, this is Nwamaka. She's fair." Aboye Becky. If they had known that this girl would grow up to be that dark, they would have called her that tan. Because I warned this girl, I told her, don't. This girl, I catch it. She did not listen to me. She went and married this man. Do you know the worst one? The worst one is that Abuchi, her late husband's brother, wanted to marry her even when she was mourning. Can you imagine that?
Is Abuchi dead?
Oh yeah, Abuchi. That one is latest. Abuchi is dead in fact, Abuchi is dead. Deadest. Abuchi is dead and gone. I think we can but we don't talk about that one again.
Sorry, go. Chimampa, I will see you later. I will see you later.
Amara, I want you to tell Becky, your friend, and her mother to forgive me. I am the one that charmed Becky, but now she's okay. Please.
Papa, why?
Why?
I thought it was her mother that deceived you from not marrying Emeka, my friend.
Hey.
And they advised you to marry Odengu. But now the truth is out. I didn't know that Emeka was a ritualist. Even now, he is mad on the street. So you people should forgive me. Bright, my in-law, I'm sorry. Please forgive me for all that I put you through. I bless your marriage today.
Papa, 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 take it easy. Papa, easy, Papa, easy. Papa, 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 wake up. Papa, Papa.
How everything happened. I'm totally sorry.
Koro, my husband, was such a good man. He showed me so much love. I promise not to erase this memory from my heart.
Let me go and attend to the babies.
Becky, I have to be on my way now. Maybe we'll talk another time.
Wow, Charity. I sincerely appreciate the fact you've been helping my mom. And, I've heard a lot of good things about you. But I want to state it clear here that I don't love you. And I'm not going to marry you, please.
Why? Why can't you marry her? Look, Beke, who you're supposed to marry, is now a widow. And she here is the only option you have. She's a nice girl. Eh?
Yes, sir. I'm a good girl. Please don't turn me down.
Oh, Charity. Charity, you're such a beautiful girl. See, you have all it takes to get any man you want in your life. You are nice, beautiful, and everything. But I want to let you know that love exists between two persons. I can feel it. It is not working.
Then build it.
I should build it?
Yes, I build love, I build. Build her. Love her.
Maybe you will supply cement for the building.
You can build the free house. If that is the case, I will supply cement for you to build the love. I'm gonna have to solve your problem. Don't worry. Come here. Don't worry. Are you trying to cry?
I'm crying.
Don't worry. He will marry you. Oh, I trust him. I know he will build the love. Go to open now. Hope you never go the love. Trust me now. He's building love already for you.
Hey, Emeka, please, I'm sorry. Forgive me for everything I have done to you. I never knew I was meant. Please, my heart to forgive me. Accept me back in your life. I promise to be a good person.
Charity, I'm also sorry I can't have you back in my life. After all I've done for you. Listen, have you forgotten so soon that no condition is permanent? But I also have good news for you. I already have someone that I want to marry.
No.
Someone who is willing to turn a house into a home. Okay? There is nothing you can do.
Does not love you. Stop crying.
I love you. I have always prayed for a rich guy to follow me. A guy who can take care of my beauty.
Okay. I'm giving you this advice. Sweet, I'll like you. You should go back to Emeka who always loved you. So stop this.
I care.
It's okay, please. Stop crying. Okay? Just wipe your tears.
Hey! Wonders shall never end. Wonders shall never end. I saw it coming. I saw it coming. I know that he must disappoint you. You are not crying that he will not marry again. Let me tell you what an adult Onyokin like me sits down and see. A small baby like you will climb on top of Iroko. You never see it. I told you. Because he Lube that time. Lube. He started calling in Noche. How do you think it will work? Let me tell you. If you like, go and commit suicide. It's even better you go and die. I know it will happen. Mabingo. I told you.
Ike brought me home with his car. Mommy, guess what? I like Uncle Ike's car because each time I am in his car, he always puts air condition for me. Mommy, guess what? He gave me money to buy ice cream.
Alright, go in and change your clothes.
Okay, Mom.
Ike, how many times will I warn you to stay away from I and my daughter? We don't need you. We are fine, please.
Becky, I understand your feelings. You know, today is Saturday. I was driving when I saw Favor walking home alone. I had to bring her home.
I'm only trying to show concern, nothing more.
Okay, we don't need your concern. Yes, we don't. It is for our own good. Try to stay away, please, I'm begging you.
Have a nice day.
This is 3-letter words.
3-letter.
Speak out. 3-letter words.
3-letter.
C-U-P.
Decay, my love. You have warned me enough. Go ahead and marry IK.
Mommy, you're not saying anything.
Decided to marry him. It hurts me to say goodbye.